First, let's marinate the chicken. So to a bowl, you're going to add 3 medium-sized chicken breasts that have been cut into bite-sized. To that, you're going to add in a tablespoon of red chili powder, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as needed. We're using about a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix thoroughly. To a small bowl, add a half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix these 2 ingredients. Also add in a teaspoon of instant yeast. Keep this aside for proofing. Into a large bowl, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, add in a half teaspoon of salt. Also add in a half teaspoon of oregano. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix with a fork. The yeast mixture has become frothy, so now we're going to add that into our flour mixture. Also added a tablespoon of milk. Now mix it all very well. You can also start mixing with your hands. Add more water as needed. This is how the dough should look like after kneading it. I have oily hands and I'm kneading it just a bit more so that we could just get it nice and soft. So now I'm just putting some oil on my hands and I'm patting that onto the dough and on the sides of it. So first you're gonna grate some garlic. I also have some minced coriander leaves. So now I'm going to make a paste that will really make it garlic bread. So I have 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So the dough has finished rising. This is how it looks after an hour. So now you're just going to knead it a bit more just to like pop out the air. So now you're just going to like tuck in your dough and then you're going to split it in half because you're going to make 2 of them. And then you're just going to keep one aside, we'll still use it, and then the other one you're going to like knead out. So I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of flour. So I have also floured my rolling pin and I'm going to roll out the dough. So you need to roll out your dough in the shape of a circle so that when you like pull it over, it matches up. So now you're going to take your butter garlic paste, your chicken, and some cheese. Now we're going to start filling up our our dough. So first, you're going to spread a bit of the paste onto this. You don't need a whole lot, but just enough to cover the top of this. Put the chicken on 1/2 of the garlic bread. Now, on top of the chicken, put on some cheese. Now you're going to bring the other half over. You're going to seal these edges very good. Now spread our garlic mixture on top of the folded garlic bread. Also add a few chili flakes to your liking. Take a pan and put some aluminum foil on it and butter it. So now you're just going to make a few slits on the bread so that the pressure can escape from inside. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the garlic breads into the oven. Bake them for around 18 minutes. Time may vary with different ovens. So that's how you make cheesy chicken garlic bread. We hope you liked this recipe. Please share, please like, please subscribe to our channel. Bye!